And how does that framing guide our ethical remedies?
Oh, that's a really interesting way to apply Aquinas's thought.
Yes, let's unpack this idea of evil as privation in the context of AI.
You're right, Aquinas, as we were just had to touch on,
In our discussion about goodness, defines evil not as a thing itself,
but as the absence of something that ought to be there.
a lack of perfection, a falling short.
So when we see harm arising from biased algorithms,
Could that be framed as a privation of right order?
instead of saying algorithm is evil,
We could see it as lacking the proper order or fairness it should possess.
that's a subtle but potentially powerful shift in perspective.
What's fascinating here is how that framing might guide our response.
If evil is a privation, the remedy isn't to destroy some evil substance.
But to restore what's missing, to bring things back into their proper order.
In the case of biased algorithms, that would mean
Identifying and correcting the flaws that lead to unfair outcomes.
focusing on principles of fairness and equity.
It aligns with Aquinas' idea that every being, as being, is good.
So the algorithm itself isn't inherently evil.
But the harm it causes stems from a lack of proper formation or order.
This also connects to what we'll discuss about goodness and its relation to being,
The aim is to bring the algorithm closer to its full potential.
which would include operating justly and without harmful bias.